Welcome back guys to another video. My name is Marcos and today we're unboxing these Hexagon Dreamcolor LED lights from Lumoonosity. So as you can see, we have the box right here. Not much going on. We do see a little hexagon design here in the front. In the back we do see color your life. So questions, emails, stuff like that. Dreamcolor modular lights, 360 RF. It comes with a control inside the box, and it also has music sync. So very cool lights. So let's unbox them and let me show you what's inside. All right guys, so we get 6 hexagons, we get a remote control, we get some mounting brackets and some accessories to put these together. We do get a nice user manual, we get a nice card from Lumoonosity, battery for the controller, and power supply connection. And then this one's like a mounting bracket so that you can make them look like they're floating. So let me try and put them together and we'll show you what they look like. So the way these work, they actually have this USB board cable. So this one attaches to the side on the hexagon, and they have multiple entries, so you can design it however you want. If you want it up here, you can design it like that. If you want it down here, you can design it like that. So you can change the design, which makes it a lot more customizable and a lot more easier to set it up. So pretty much like I said, grab this little USB board and then insert it wherever you want, change the design however you want, and pretty much create something for your wall. So we're putting it together, and then it has these brackets right here to hold it in place. And this is what the hexagon looks like. Very lightweight, so easy, should be really easy to mount. Shouldn't need any screws, and they actually provided these to mount them on the wall. So let me make something and then hang it up. Check it out guys. So very easy to build one of these. It gives you like this honeycomb hexagon design. You can pretty much set these up however you want. It comes with a remote control. You can change the colors. You can change the colors to like a standard color to match your gaming room. You can change the mode. You can change the way the lights move, the brightness. You can adjust everything, almost everything about it. You can even check out like the music mode, so play like with your music and stuff like that. So very cool, very easy to set up. One thing that I did have to mention is just make sure that the one that says input to the panel goes into the panel, because what I was doing initially, I was inputting the other one that says to the USB to the power. I was putting it on this side and it wouldn't turn on. So you got to make sure that you input it correctly. And these things are bright. Let me turn off the light a little bit so you guys can check it out. So check it out. So you guys, like I said, like the hexagon design gives you a very unique way to build them, so you can adjust them however you need to. You can change them if you get bored. In the back, pretty much once you turn them around, you can tie them together with these little brackets that they provide, and then you just got to follow the arrows. It has multiple ports, so you just follow the arrows, plug it in, and then that's how you set it up. And like I said, if you want to take them off, you just kind of pull a little bit, this little bracket comes out, change the USB to this one or change it however you want, and you can change the design. So these are super easy to set up. Pretty much they have the sticky part, like some stickers that you can put behind the panels. They don't weigh much, they don't overheat, so they're very safe. You can change it with the remote control. You can change the style of lights. If you want to match it with your computer or your LED lights, you can change it to a solid color, how fast you want them to change. You can turn on music mode, it'll sync with your music. Very easy setup. So this is my setup at the moment. This kind of matches my desk, my PC. Here we go. And easy setup, super customizable. Like I said, you can change the panels however you want and match them to your gaming setup, stuff like that. So there you have it guys. Lumoonosity Hexagon Dreamcolor LED lights. Just wanted to do a quick video. Thanks to Lumoonosity for providing these for testing, and hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one.